Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed, 2018 Mustang. I know it's obvious, but I named this car Blue Balls, and it definitely needed balls. So here it is. It's a new video series. I'm building this car up with a Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger. But before I tell you all about it, don't forget, subscribe, hit notify, you'll stay up to date. But right now, let's look at the first model on this car, do a dyno pull, and talk about what's coming next. Okay, so this 18 is an automatic, and I started with the Stage 2 kit, Gen 5. Now don't confuse this with the Gen 3 we have on our 15 Mustang. This is an all new design supercharger. Better intercooler, new bearings, new rotors. And I did opt for the upgraded heat exchanger. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of drag racing with this car, but I'm gonna definitely baseline it. Right now, Whipple Cal, 3.8 pulley. I wanna see what this thing makes. And then I'm gonna do a pulley swap. I'll tell you all about that after we check out this graph. But here it is, it's gonna be exciting. And it's a Gen 5 unit. Whipple's been bragging about this, so I wanted to really put it through its paces. I want to take it to the track. I'm definitely gonna need comments from you on what I should do next, because it's stock, bone stock, no headers, no mid-pipe, no mufflers. What's gonna happen next with this? But let's see what it makes on the dyno. Alright, so on Whipple's website, they state with the 132mm throttle body, which I have, we should be about 11 PSI a boost. And on that run, we were at right around 10 to 11 PSI. So that's with 93 octane. Whipple states that you have to have 91 and higher octane. I'm running 93. SAE on the dyno through the auto, 7th gear, which is the gear you should be using with the automatic. 638 to the tires, 649 to the tires. Rear wheel horsepower, not bad. 496 torque and 490 torque. Again, that's SAE. So let's see what happens when I change this rating over to standard, because on Whipple's website, all their graphs are always standard. And when I watch a lot of their YouTube videos, they're showing standard as well, and that's always a higher number. So when I flip this over to standard, we are gonna have rear wheel horse jump from up to 653 and 664 in those two pulls. Then 507 torque, 501, not bad. Again, that's a Whipple Cal. I did a data log. It's not super aggressive on timing. Actually, I could put a little bit more timing in this to pick that power up quite a bit. But before I do that, I'm gonna drop a pulley size. I'm gonna go to the 3.7 pulley, because Whipple says you can drop a pulley size, then run the 93 octane with some additive like Torco or Boostane. I have some unleaded race fuel here. I'm just gonna add that to the car for safety. I'm not gonna change their tune. Put the pulley on, and let's see what it makes. Alright, picked up about another pound of boost. I'm really happy with what I saw, but don't forget, if you want something like this installed, email quote@brenspeed.com, and I'm going to put links in the description of the supercharger package so you can read a lot more about it. And of course, we have free shipping to the 48 states. But SAE, we jumped from 649 to 682 to the tires, pretty much across the board, so that's good. That's what I expect, adding about another pound, maybe a pound and a half of boost. Torque jumped from 490 to 518. So my next step with this car is I'm gonna head to the track. It's not gonna happen on these wheels and tires, so let's put this on a lift and check out the Race Star wheels I'm gonna run on this car when I hit the drag strip. Check out my Race Stars. So on the front, I have the 6-piston Brembos. So traditionally, I would normally run the 17-inch Race Star in the front. You have to run 18s with the 6-piston Brembo. These are 18x5. These are called the 92 Dragstar Bracket Racer Series. So it's a killer wheel. You're balling on a budget. I really like these. I like the black. They're gonna look killer on this car. I'm running a Mickey Thompson Sportsman SR front tire. This is 26 by 6 by 18. It's gonna be a really cool tire to have in this car and hit the drag strip. The Whipple's gonna be awesome. I'm really pumped about this. I'm excited to see what's gonna run, but you need to see what I have on the back. So back here, this is 17 by 9.5. So 17 by 9.5 is what you need on the S550. And this is my other favorite tire. So we have the ET Street R by Mickey Thompson. This one is 305/45/17. So killer tire. I've used them for a long time. I've used the 275s. I'm going to use these this time. I think it'll be really cool at the track. So please don't forget, subscribe, hit notify. You're going to stay up to date. A lot of things coming out on this. Adding more boost, adding different fuel. We're going to do 85. Return style fuel system. and we'll be doing videos on this car all year. So again, thanks for watching, and leave a comment. I'm happy to answer.